May you give or you turn your back to him. You don't want to be a proper Muslim woman. This is too hard. I want to be like everybody else. Fine, go and do it. That's what Allah is saying. And then he will remove you or me or us and bring other people. They will be not like us. They will be better. So you wanted, you're going to put the effort and you will work and never give up. It's not an easy road like most of the things in this life. If you didn't hear the question, she said, I want to be a scholar like you. May Allah make me better than what you think of me. And may He forgive what you don't know about me. But that's the point. You want someone to look at you. You know the influencers these days? Everybody wants to be an influencer, right? The question is what influence you are doing. So you want to be a person, a woman, who people look at you, including men, and especially young boys, and say, I want to be like her. And better be her is what pleased him and what brings goodness to this life. This is how it is, my beauty. Number one, you really wanted. And number two, and that's very important, it's hard work and a lot of sacrifice, like everything else in life. It doesn't come free of charge. I used to joke with my teachers when I was studying Islamic studies, especially when I was studying Islamic inheritance. They all know, the class all know this word. And I used to say, this is way harder than OBGYN. And I said, delivering 10 babies is much easier because it's so complicated and all numbers. So number two is hard work. Number three, which is actually number one, but to you I'm putting it. You will not do it by yourself. He will help you. You have to ask him. May you give or you turn your back to him. You don't want to be a proper Muslim woman. This is too hard. I want to be like everybody else. Fine, go and do it. That's what Allah is saying. And then He will remove you or me or us and bring other people. They will be not like us. They will be better. So you wanted, you're going to put the effort and you will work and never give up. It's not an easy road like most of the things in this life. Two, ask Him, keep asking Him, and don't worry about what people say. I can't tell you how many people made fun of me. You're an OBGYN, why do you want to study Islamic studies? How much they pay you? Honestly, I heard this in my ears. Nobody will hire you, you're a woman. Don't worry. It's Him who will send the job. And it's Him who is going to send you the money, not anybody else. And may Allah make you. Where is your mom? May Allah take care of this young lady. I mean it. It's like when Imam Malik looked at Imam Shafi'i. He's two famous scholars in the Muslims. One was the teacher of the other, and the other was very young. He was like 8 or 9. He looked at him, and he said, إني أن أرى أن الله قد قذف في قلبك نورا فلا تطفئه بظلمة المعاصي. He looked at him and says, young boy, I see that God have thrown in your heart a light. Don't extinguish it by sins. Don't give her a phone. And if she wants one, call me. I really mean it. You know, let her grow like we did. Let her play outside. Let her enjoy nature. Yeah, right? And let her feel it. And give her books that will, this is true. She's not saying this to please me. No, I don't think so. Second time I meet her. She wanted that. Give it to her. We have a lot of teachers, physicians, we have all the other professions, but we have very few scholars, women. And we need that in this day and age. I'll make special dua for you. Yes. Please, yes, Bismillah. Alaikum salam. You do, okay. So basically the question is, without going to the details, because I know what she's referring to. So when you do a good deed because you're in big trouble, is that a good deed? Or you're doing it because? The because is the answer. Are you doing it for Him? And because He told me, if you do a good deed or you're charitable or you give money, then I will make your life easier, that's fine. Absolutely. And this is one of the ways shaitan come to you, so you don't do a good deed. But if you are doing it, somebody asked this question, he says, why me? Right? You know what I say? So when He made you healthy, why you? So the people who are sitting in the hospitals and having all these diseases, why me? I'm healthy. The people who are blind, why us? Because He is the wise and He is the just. I just don't see it. So absolutely keep doing it, right? And keep saying, this is for you, Ya Allah. It's only for you.